Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some simple follow me eyes with an FDM or SLA printer with some really simple materials. So without further ado, let's get into it. These are more or less all the materials you're going to be using for this build. So the resin is what I used for my resin printer, the PLA right there, the filament for the printer, like the FDM one. And the glow-in-the-dark paint is optional. You don't really need to use it unless you want to add a little pop of color and to make it like glow a little. And since these eyes are concave, they have an illusion that it looks like the pupil will be following you at whatever angle you're basically looking at it at. Pretty interesting. Before I get to painting the details on the eyes, I'm gonna have to paint several coats of white paint, obviously, so it has a nice white surface that I can paint on top of. Now for this, you're normally gonna want to paint around 3 layers of white paint or like any other kind of stuff that you want to use, but normally I just stick with like 3 layers. So now I'm going to start painting the pupil, which is going to always start at the center of the eye. It cannot be anywhere else because then the illusion wouldn't really work properly. So it has to be like right there at the center. Just finished painting the eyes. I think they came out super nice. They remind me of something, but I don't remember what it is. I think maybe a dragon fruit for some reason. I don't even know. They remind me of some kind of fruit. And the effect of the follow me looks really good. And it's not done yet. I'm probably gonna coat the eyes with some UV resin so it could give that extra shine. And I might even add some glow in the dark paint to it. But let's see. And if you want to download the STL file so you can 3D print this on your FDM or SLA printer, you can download the STL in the description below. That's basically it on DIY follow me eyes. I hope you guys found this video helpful and I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.